Welcome back to today's video. It has come to my attention that it's been almost a month since I've uploaded a YouTube video. Again, I did this a little while ago. I think I took like a 2-month break from YouTube and now I'm approaching a month and I'm like, nah, again. So I thought I would film just a talk through get ready with me because A, one of the easier videos to film, and B, I feel like it's always nice if I've been gone for a little bit to do like a talk through instead of something else. I don't know. So anyway, without further ado, let's get on into the video. How do we feel about my background? Because I really like it. Knowing me, the next time I film it'll be different, but for today it's cute. Also, my hair has been trying me on like levels that I didn't know it could try me on. I mean, seriously, my hair looks like a dead animal. I don't like it. Is it like ugly? Yeah. First things first, I'm gonna moisturize. This is the Kylie Skin Face Moisturizer. It's not that good, to be honest with you. I'm looking for a new moisturizer. I just finished the Tatcha one and it's really good, but like I can't be committed to a $60 moisturizer, you know? I got this, I'll show you in a minute. Bam! I got this big old thing of moisturizer and I don't know how I feel about it. Honestly, it has alcohol in it, which dries your skin out, and I can kind of feel it when I put it on. It like tightens and I'm like, no. So anyway, it's a long story for saying I'm using this one. Oh my word. Alright, first things first. I am going to apply concealer first. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Beige. I just put a little bit of this on areas that are causing problems. And then I take my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. It's basically the prettiest thing ever. I mention it in every video, so I'm not going to ramble on about it, but if you don't own it, you should. I mean, I think you could have probably the most dirt cheap foundation, and if you apply this, it'll make it look like $1,000,000. I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier Candle Glow Soft Luminous Foundation. A brush moved, and I'm like, oh. And then I'm just gonna proceed to blend this all in. Okay, now that I look maybe a little crazy, it's definitely full coverage. It's gonna get good, okay? Don't worry about it. Now that I've done that, I also did conceal my under eyes with the same concealer. I'm looking up here because the viewfinder's there and I'm not used to filming on this camera, so I'm like, you're good? It's a process. Do I want to cream bronze? I don't know. All right, now I'm gonna set my under eye with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Powder. I mainly just use this on my under eye and my eyelids because I don't like to waste it on the rest of my face, because I feel like when you look at a face, you focus more on the eye area, and so that's the part I want to look good, I guess. I don't know. My logic doesn't make sense half the time, but I do it and that's that. I'm gonna bronze and I'm gonna use the Tarte Park Ave Princess palette. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Princess, okay. And I'm gonna take, I think, this shade. Like I said, I'm gonna bronze a little bit. By a little bit, I mean a lot of bit because I love bronzer. Right now, I'm just going over that with a Hourglass bronzer. This thing is stunning. Now for highlighter. I'm gonna mix Becca Champagne Pop and Ofra Glazed Donut. I have to go to work later, so I'm trying to keep the makeup low-key. You know me. It probably won't work out that way. That's the base, and now I'm gonna move on to the eyes. I am going to take this shade right up here and just focus this on my outer corner, blending it around. I'm gonna take some of this orange color and blend over that. This makeup it's not gonna be like the greatest makeup look I've ever done because, like I said, I'm going to work later and I'm not trying to scare people. The only thing about that palette that I don't like is there's not a highlight shade, so I'm gonna go in with my trusty Jaclyn Hill palette and take the second eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this to highlight my inner corner as well as my brow bone. I am literally gonna be done filming right as when I need to leave for work. I'm gonna do my brows now. My drawer's right here, sorry. And I've actually been doing them a little bit differently. I've been using the Morphe Brow Cream in Latte, and I brush my brow hairs upward, and then I take some of this and I go underneath my brow first and spoolie it out. Now that my brows are done, I'm going to take a little bit of brown eyeliner and put this in my waterline. Alright, and then I am going to curl my lashes and then put some mascara on. This one is from L'Oreal. Y'all, I really am tripping today. I forgot my blush. I'm looking at my face, I'm like, really? Is there something missing? Yeah, my blush. It's very important to me. Y'all, there's something really wrong with me, I think. I forgot one day my highlighter and I actually had a moment. I had a real moment. I'm like, how dare you forget that? I think I'm just gonna apply some of these MAC blushes. I am just shook. I almost forgot my blush. Keyword is almost, okay? Not crazy yet. I'm annoying, but I really kind of want to put a little bit of a lash. Did you hear all the little itty bitty words that I just put into one sentence? But I want lashes. I'm just gonna pop these on. You really don't need lashes. On an everyday basis, I definitely do not wear them. I just kind of feel like when I'm filming a YouTube video, or like if I put the time in to film a YouTube video, I want the look to be popping as much as possible. Onto the lip. Fenty Beauty, their Slip Shine lipstick. Love. But it is really light. And then I might just put a Fenty Beauty gloss over top. I like it. Let me fix this tragic hair and I'll be right back. Alright, and here is the finished makeup look, obviously. Personally, I love this look. I always say that, but I do like it. I think it's a step above natural and 2 steps above the bare minimum and 10 steps below full glam. Okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And that is it. I really hope to see you in my next video.